Welcome everybody, and I'm Sagi and I'm OctaSec, and today we're going to dive deep into the world of digital forensic and incident response. It's basically a whole world of tools that was made for a cyber investigator, cyber security investigator to collect evidence and to find out what really happened behind the scene of the attack. I will show you the best tool there is today, also free ones and also paid ones that are intended for Kali, for Windows and Linux. Okay. It's a bit, no, sorry about that. And the first DFIR, it's not one tool, it's a process. And first we start from collecting evidence, and then we go through a memory analysis and disk and artifact analysis, network forensic, and threat intelligence, and SIEM, of course, and incident handling and live response. So the first thing that we're going to do is to get evidence, and we use tool like FTK Imager to replicate the disk in a special way without hurting the information. The next tool that we can use, and is a really great tool, it's called Autopsy. It's got a really good graphic interface, and it's very comfortable for analysis. Magnet Acquires is advanced evidence collection, and it's a good commercial. If you are a professional and you need a good commercial tool that collect evidence from mobiles or servers, and if you want to work with SLI, DD is also a great tool. And sometimes the most important thing is happening in the RAM. So there we see active process and connected to the network and file that been uploaded there. Velocity free is very good tool, and it's very well known, and also free. And Rect-O is also advanced version for the velocity, and the bull stock RAM capture is captured the RAM live, and it's a great tool for capturing memories for live system. And who wants a very deep analysis, Magnet Axiom is good commercially and really all around good solution for those who work in the field. And after we capture the evidence, we want to analyze what happened on the disk. And the great tool that is here, and it also stars with a great graphic interface, is Autopsy. Okay, and you got a great timeline, and X-Ray and MCAS, also a great commercial, very, very good commercial solutions if you are a professional. And Stealth Kit is very good for automation and script analysis in Linux. And the next thing we're going to do is network analysis. Network analysis is very critical at this point. Wireshark is the basic and most common one, and also free one. And Zikr, for the nose bro, is allowing for deep analysis of network and salt signatures. It's very good. And if you want to use, you can use also Network Miner. It's allow you to restrict files and data flows. Also, Akram is a full solution of capturing and index of all the network trafficking. So that is the part of network analysis. And threat intelligence, or in threat intelligence, if you want to understand the broader picture and you need tools that focus on forensic analysis. MISP is one of the very good tools that you can use, and you can integrate it also into your SIEM system. OpenCTI really centralize all the information on tag groups and targets. And you got the Splunk and a Wazoo that are the most leading solution. Wazoo is also a free tool, and it also combined within the EDR. So great tool to use. And instant handling and live response. When attacks happening, you need to respond fast. And Velociraptor is one of the greatest tools that you can manage and interrogate from remotely in real time. And GRA Rapid Response is also a free tool that allow you full control on your computer and your organization, and also the WIVE and Cortex also allows you to manage the incident in orderly fashion and automatic. So, quick comparison. For evidence, you can use the Alpha-like imagers to create a free image of your disk. If you want to analyze memory, use velocity free. If you want to analyze the disk, autopsy. If you want to network analysis, you can use Zikr. For SIEM, Wazoo, and also with EDR, great tools to use. And for a live response, use Velociraptor. And okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for staying until here. If you love my content, please do subscribe and like, and see you in the next one.